Managing properties comes with its fair share of challenges. From juggling tenant requests to staying on top of maintenance, the job demands focus, organization, and efficiency at every step. But what if there was a way to simplify all these daily tasks while actively boosting your productivity? That's where Agentic AI comes in, a groundbreaking step forward in artificial intelligence that's transforming property management from the ground up. Agentic AI isn't just about standard automation, it's smart automation, a form of AI that operates independently, makes decisions, and solves problems based on real-time data, all with minimal human involvement. So what exactly is Agentic AI? Agentic AI is a new class of artificial intelligence that's designed to operate autonomously, simulating decision-making abilities similar to a human. Thanks to advances in cloud computing and large language models, Agentic AI can now analyze huge amounts of data, learn from patterns, and adapt on its own. Unlike traditional AI that mainly follows pre-programmed rules, Agentic AI acts as an independent agent. It can study information from different sources and take meaningful action based on what it finds, making it extremely useful in industries like property management. For property managers, this means tasks like tenant communication, handling maintenance requests, organizing rental payments, and even supporting compliance can be done faster, more accurately, and with far less manual effort. So how does Agentic AI stand apart from AI systems you might have heard of? The biggest difference is its autonomous nature and decision-making ability. While regular AI tools are great at processing data or repeating tasks, Agentic AI goes further. So let's break down exactly how Agentic AI shows up in property management today. One of the biggest headaches for any landlord or property manager is keeping up with tenant communication. Agentic AI solves this by bringing in automated tools that handle multiple inquiries at once, sends updates, and answers questions in real time, all with minimal input from your team. Tenants get quick, accurate answers about rent deadlines, maintenance schedules, or lease renewals, and managers don't have to spend their day buried in emails or phone calls. These AI systems are customizable too. You can send personalized updates or policy reminders, and keep tenants informed 24/7, even outside office hours. Rent collection is another area where Agentic AI makes a real difference. AI tools send automated reminders, process payments securely, offer flexible payment options, and track everything in real time. This reduces late payments, cuts down on awkward follow-ups, and gives tenants a smoother experience overall. Meanwhile, you get better cash flow and clearer tracking without having to chase payments every month. Maintenance requests are often urgent and time-consuming. Agentic AI tackles this by instantly logging new requests, messaging questions and solutions to tenants, sorting them by priority, and assigning tasks to the right vendors or team members. Tenants get faster resolutions and stay ahead of small issues before they become big repairs, and everyone stays informed with real-time updates and no manual follow-ups required. Plus, Agentic AI can analyze recurring issues to spot trends, so you can plan proactive maintenance and avoid repeat headaches. Finding the right tenants is an important part of property management. Agentic AI speeds up tenant screening by analyzing credit, employment, income history, and rental behavior in seconds, all while staying compliant with local regulations. It uses clear, consistent scoring to remove bias and human error, flags any risks, and helps you make decisions faster and fairer. Accounting can eat up hours each week. Agentic AI takes care of it by automatically processing invoices, tracking expenses, and keeping your books organized, all with minimal oversight. Need reports? No problem. Agentic AI generates custom financial summaries and tracks cash flow across all your properties, so you always know where you stand. Even tax season becomes simpler since the system keeps records organized, flags deductions, and makes sure you're ready when the deadline rolls around. Communication gets even easier with multilingual translation features built into Agentic AI. If your tenants, vendors, or team members speak different languages, the system automatically translates messages to keep everyone on the same page. No more relying on third-party translators or worrying about miscommunication. So why should you consider a property management tool with Agentic AI? The answer is simple: time savings, better data, happier tenants. Agentic AI takes care of repetitive admin work like responding to standard questions or scheduling appointments, so you can focus on bigger priorities. It uses real-time data to offer smart suggestions for lease renewals, pricing, and compliance. It boosts tenant satisfaction by resolving requests quickly and predicting maintenance needs before they become problems. And best of all, Agentic AI grows with your business, whether you're managing a few single-family homes or a large portfolio of commercial units. This is exactly why MagicDoor is different. It's the only property management software built fully around Agentic AI. So it doesn't just bolt on a few smart features, it runs on them. With MagicDoor, tenants can report maintenance issues by text, the AI checks the issue, solves it if possible, or sends it straight to the right vendor, all automatically. Communication stays organized in one hub, so landlords, tenants, and service providers are always on the same page. Applicant screening uses AI scoring to find best matches fast and fairly. And every feature is built to handle real property management problems, not just look good on paper. And MagicDoor is free, so click the link in the description to check it out. Agentic AI is modernizing property management by replacing repetitive tasks, making smarter decisions, and giving your tenants better, faster service. So if you're ready to save time, stay compliant, and grow your portfolio without drowning in admin work, the MagicDoor is ready to help. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe for more practical landlord tips, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one.